Díobh buachaillí fáilte ar ais go dtí rang nua inniu inniu tá mé úsáid an app Zoom agus an siomh gríosáin Zoom ionas mé ábailte an leathanach atá agam a roinnt libh. So tá sé an-tábhacht sin a dhéanamh. So good morning again, and another class online. We're going to use Zoom today, so hopefully I'll be able to share my screen and show you some of the things I want to work through today. The first thing I'm going to do is I want to look through how you use Microsoft Teams and the group we have. So tá sin anna tábhachtach ar fad go bhfuil míad ábailte é sin a dhéanamh. Agus just féicigh muid ar sin ar feadh cúpla nóiméad. So ag féicint ar an rud seo. So thankfully we've gone on to using our Microsoft Teams page here, and you'll see that hopefully you can see it as I can see it now at the minute. This is our Microsoft Teams page. So when you go into your school email, you're going to see this page here. You'll be able to go into Teams. So when you go into your email, press this one. So you'll be in Outlook, go into Teams down at the bottom, then go into our group, which is Bhliain Gaeilge. So it's really important that you go into that. As you can see, luckily I've set a little assignment. It's from the class that we had yesterday. So Cuaig Déag Líne ar Turas Scola Goodí an Fólin. Okay, so you'll be able to click on this view assignment. It brings us into it on a topic ar fad. Tá sé simply, so you remember I talked to you about this assignment the last day. So looking at what you can see, this is what comes up for you. I've explained in detail how you do the assignment, what's needed. I've given you some resources as well. Okay, so when you go into your general, you go into the group, you'll see that assignment. That assignment then can be sent to me on the Teams page, or you can send it as an email. I prefer if you sent it on the Teams page. So a couple of bits that are important here. The general posts, the general post files, just up at the top here where you see the icon, I have it up here. The post is what I've just put up. The assignments is there, as you can see, a bit from earlier in the year when we were dealing with the online stuff. A really important one I want everybody to have a look at now over the next day or two when you go home is looking at files. So in the files part, I've started to upload some work for us, some notes that are going to go in there that you're going to find really handy to do the different assignments that we have over the next little while. So ruddy anna tábhachtach ar fad, alán áisina tábhachtaí an seo, very important resources and stuff for you there. So this one that I've created is Capadóireacht, writing, so stories, letters, etc. As I said yesterday, a big part of the written paper 1 and 2, both have written elements to it, and we need to start shaping up on those ones. We haven't done that much yet. So if you click into Capadóireacht, you're going to see that you have lots of different resources which I've put up here. First one here, 10 useful phrases, 25 easy verbs to use in the past tense, a sample story, dóiteáin sa teach, a sample story, isteach san abhainn, mothúcháin emotions then that you can use when you're writing in Irish, and down along as far as useful phrases, there's about 4 pages of phrases, loads of them that you can use as well, and then one other sample story. Okay, so really important, looking at that later on today, hopefully, when you have time at the weekend, or especially when you're doing the assignment. So again, looking at the assignment, you'll be using the notes in this file, in these files here, under, again, going back to general. So if you click in and you're on general, as you see the icon I've brought over there is on general, you bring across the icon to files, click on files. Once that comes up, click on Capadóireacht, new folder that's been created, and loads of resources to help you write up the assignment and send it to me before next Monday when it's due. Okay, so you've phrases, emotions, verbs, lots of things to help you with it there. and do those 15 sentences. So just to recap again, just to go back to the general one, we are looking at 15 sentences, Turas scoile go dtí an fólann agus an ghearmáin. Okay, just to remind ourselves of that, that is based on a page just back here a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so on Lehanach Seo, it's based on this page. I think the page is Gá céad is a sé, so Turas scoile cuaig aisling agus rinne siad plán Turas scoile don tríú bhliain go dtí an fólann agus an ghearmáin. You are using this particular piece and basing your 15 sentences assignment on this piece. Okay, it's simple. I've explained it in the written part of the assignment, where I've said here, so when you click on view the assignment, it might be a little bit different from you compared to my page. When the assignment comes up, student view, this is what will come up for you. Loads of instructions there telling you how to do that. So in this particular Gá céad is a sé sa leabhar, tá firm sort format difriúil atá gceist. This is a little bit of a different format. She's given a diary of the events and an itinerary. For example, Shekishtach Erlina, Pakal Nismo. These are things that you do, whereas yours is going to be, it's going to look different from this. It's going to be continuous paragraphs of 15 lines. What you're using, taking bits and pieces from this. So for example, where she says, Dé mort, a né clog, búil leis na scoláirí a gheataí na scoile, fai an bus go dtí an airport. So what you need to do with that one, if you want to use some of hers, is change it into the past tense and put it into the present, put it into the first person. So I went, I saw. So this would change to Ar né clog, bhúil mé leis na scoláirí eile a gheataí na scoile, fuair mé an bus go dtí an airport. Okay, and remember yesterday we gave the pages where the past tense verbs are past tense and in the first person. Okay, so moving along a little bit there, just making sure you can all see me, lads. So going back again to our Microsoft Teams page, let's have a look at the files again, right? So one part in paper one, which is particularly important, is the written section. Very important part. You're asked to write a piece about, either you write an essay, you write a story, or you write something about a debate. So we're going to cover those three. So today I just want to talk a bit about on scéal féin, on story. Okay, so tá trí scéal samplach déanta mac agam. Okay, Féicear an ceann seo dótán sa teach. This is one I've written out for you already, for you to use, for you to learn. Okay, dótán sa teach is a fire in your house. Isteach san abhainn means into the river, and down at the bottom, timpiste bóthar means a road accident. So in the scale, we're usually given, you know, 2 or 3 sentences saying an event, an act, something has happened, and write a story. So it's a general thing. Usually it's a dramatic event, like there was an accident, or there was a fire, or something went wrong, and that's why we've, you know, I've written out 3 very particular stories, but 3 stories that can be spread across lots of different things. So they give you a general topic, and then you can do what you want with it. It just has to be an event that happens, a story, something that happens. So we're going to have a look at dótán sa teach, and I want you to look at this yourself over the weekend and get an idea of what you're being looking for. So in the Microsoft Teams page, you're actually going to be able to go in and look at these stories, but you can't edit them, right? So you can print them out as they are, but obviously you're not going to edit them. And I've written them, and as you'll see in a second when we have a look at it, there is a lot of different different information in this. Okay, and we're given kind of I suppose I'm just going to stop this for a second. So we're given a lot of information in this. So I don't want you to get overwhelmed by this now. So it's just is sampla atá gceist, okay? Just sampla. So it's 2 pointe atá gceist. This is a start point for where we're going to get to next June. So we'll see this now and you'll think, God, I'm never going to be able to do that. But this is quite a simple thing. I'm not expecting you to learn it off by heart. I am expecting you to make your own of it. And by June, you'll be able to write something similar to this. Anish, just fake air, agus biaglév, éist, yeah, éist go cormac, listen carefully, agus fake air on structure town, fake air on folklore, fake air na nahana atá gest, agus just déan iirecht a hiskent. Okay, just try and make an effort to understand it. So just going back to sharing the screen again. So, Dótán sa teach. Okay, and as you see, couple of picture on shot, picture. These boxes here I've used and have always used as a kind of a hint for the person when they're learning the story. What do I need to remember? Oh yeah, on holidays, dark night, warm, comfortable. We're going to read through Uruan, a leg tríad on scale féin in a umlawn. In its entirety, we're going to read this story now. So, éist agus din iirecht a hiskent, Dótán sa teach is a fire in my house. Now try and listen to the story as we go down along. I'm going to keep the icon along where we're reading, so you're going to know where that is, okay? And then we're going to move slowly down with it, okay? So, Dótán sa teach. This is a story that we've written, and that's one we're going to use. Is ma is cuivan lom oni sin. And you're trying to understand these sentences that I'm reading out. Bhí me ma léhan de sira ó scoil. Dimmer me pel agus soccer sa Gardín gach lá. Ihe dubh dorcha. Líag me teitiolí a má labba an ihe sin bhí sé compordach. I rith na hithe bhí bolla at I mo hiomra. Gan rawa coola me fléasc olmhúr. Bhí me crit le hagla. Gléig me ma hismahori. Ní raibh giug na miug as mam no mo yad. Rith me si staire luas lasrach. Cunnig me lasrach a mór fud na háte. Bhí deatach dubh I ngach áit. Gan na hiile muile, duscail me an doras cool. Déach me suas. Bhí ma athair ag a fuinneog. Fuair me ma phone póca agus gléig me na servantí ag an dála. Scred me. Tá ma theach trí hinne brostig. Bhí imní an down. Orm. Agus bhí me cuine. Tháinig an brigid Dótán na Gardaí agus orthachar. Cunning me lasrach a móra. Dúsáid an brigid Dótán dréimre chun ma hismaitheoirí a sábháil. Bhris siad an fuinneog agus tháinig mo iad síos. Chun an fíorna a rá, bhí má bham an nervhíseach. Faoin am seo bhí duchtúirí agus Gardaí fud na háite. Chuir siad má bham síontáin agus bhí siad gan aithne gan úr labhra. Chuig má bham go dtí an tospedéal san othachar. Buíochas le dia dúisigh si agus bhí si ceart go leor. Bhí an teach dóite go talamh. Bhí brón agus díomá orm. Cail mé má telefís, má PS4, gachrad. Scrúdig na Gardaí an teach. Dág má bham an tine lasa sa seomra sí. Scap an tine go tapa an sin. Buíochas le dia tá gach duine sláinte inis. Ní dhéananig mé dermid an ihe sin go jo. Okay, so smaoinemh an sin, níl sé éasca ach níl sé roiachar. Tá sé déanta anna simply fad. I've made it very simple by again giving you what the paragraph is about here. This is a paragraph, picture, and then a couple of keywords that tell you what's going on in that paragraph. Okay, for the first paragraph, let's have a look again. So lots of things you do understand, some things that you don't understand, sure. Is there a couple of sentences, or sorry, is there some brihra I will fisiguin? What about the verbs? Bhí me, I was. Dimmer me, I played. Líag me, I lay down. So again, I've written these as cues. They are things to remember what the paragraph is about, and then you write them down. So a smell, an explosion, parents. Well, I written here vi bolla at. Bolla is a smell. Gan rawa kula plesk olvur. Plesk is an explosion. Olvur is huge. Vi me a crit la hagla. Crit la hagla. Scared. Gleg me mahish mahori. So I rang my parents, or I called my parents. Yigna miig, there wasn't a peep out of mom and dad. So again, this next paragraph here, flames, black smoke, dad at the window, that's reminding you what it's about. Do you know these, a lot of these phrases actually, if you look up in what I just showed you, the useful phrases file that I've uploaded, a lot of them are there. So what about the verbs rih me? You should know that. Cunnig me. Deach me, again, I watched. This paragraph, emergency services, crying ambulance. For me, I got. Shred me, screamed. Honig, they came. Cunnig me, again, I saw. Using different verbs, yeah. Not just saying vi me, vi tu, vi she. What about the verbs here? This paragraph, ladders, doctors, mom unconscious. Do sawed, what would that verb be? I used. Vrishid, they broke. Quirshid, they put. So again, we're trying to use lots of different phrases, lots of different verbs, all in the past tense, first person. A couple of different ones here. Ganur Anna, Ganur Laura. Yeah, that is unconscious. Nervishuk, nervous. Erfud Nahacha, all over the place. This paragraph here, hospital burnt to the ground. That's what it should say there. So Kuig, her car, man went to the hospital in the ambulance. Wiggis Ladia Dushik, thankfully she woke up, she was fine. Yun chak docha gotalev. So if dochan is a fire, docha gotalev, burnt to the ground. These emotions should be familiar with us. Bron dima. Kyle me, I lost, is a verb. And then the last paragraph, screwdig, that's an interesting verb. You know what that is. Screwdo, you know that is a test. So, but it can also mean an investigation. So screwdig nagardi, Jack, the guards investigated the house. Well, dog movam untin lassa, so Shomrasi, she left the fire lighting in the sitting room and it spread. Last sentence, always going to be using the same ones. I will never forget that. Okay, so a good example, I want you to go back in, into that yourself in your own time over the weekend. Remember, we're not going to be taking up copies this year. I'm giving you one assignment a week, so you've gotta do this work yourself and be self-motivated, lads, to get this work done, because there's a lot of stuff to do.